Hi, good morning. I'm Harshit Desai, and currently I'm leading the MIT ID innovation initiatives here at MIT Institute of Design. I'm very glad to announce this very interesting program which we have launched in MBA in Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Now, the entire rationale behind this program is that we have a lot of young and creative minds who want to work on their own ideas and want to create their own ventures. However, the required structured input, guidance, and mentorship is not always available. And at the same time, because building a venture requires a mix of design, engineering, and management coming together. So, with this intent, we have created this program in innovation and entrepreneurship. Uh, as a student who comes into the program, we expect that they have some of their own ideas or some business ideas which they want to develop further, and the program essentially will provide them these inputs, be it opportunity mapping, be it how do you build a product, how do you market a product, and how do you actually make a venture out of this whole business idea that they have. And that is essentially the program all about. Now, another interesting part about the program is it is supported by a lot of industry and the startup ecosystem stakeholders. For example, we have the Atal Incubation Center here on the campus. We have Kriya, which is our own MIT ID's initiative, which is helping convert student projects into scalable ventures. And then we have IIC, which takes care of the larger networking and the opportunities that come to them from different stakeholders. As a syllabus, we have very meticulously picked up topics which are very project based learning and which are really helping students to work in a hands on way. So unlike a very theoretical program, this program will be a very hands on program where students work on real life projects, student work with mentors, student work with industry experts, and they are able to create something in the real world. It's a 2-year program, and thanks to the new education policy, which gives us flexibility to give an exit option after 1 year. So you can always choose to take a 1 year exit and get a PG diploma. Whereas if you continue for 2 years, you can get an MBA degree. And what happens in these 2 years is, in the first year itself, you are ready with a pitch and a proposition which can be taken to the real world. And in the second year, you actually get an opportunity to build the venture. So we welcome all young and innovative minds who have some ideas, who have a passion to make a change and build something impactful in the real world, to be part of this program. And we assure you that you'll get all the required support and mentorship and the necessary resources to convert your idea into reality. Thank you.